Hi there all, Jamie Sykes here, and to continue with our lesson on linear patterns, we're going to look at basic practice for linear patterns. So, this is just going to use to start with our right hand and our right foot, and we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So hi-hat bass, snare bass, hi-hat bass. We're just going to do that over and over and get used to it. And you want it to feel really, really comfortable, because then what we're going to try and do is do that with double basses. So right, bass, bass, right, bass, bass, snare, bass, bass, right, bass, bass. Now with both of those, you can do those with just the one hand, or you can try this. Do it with both hands, so like a right, left, bass, 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 right, left, which we looked at before. Mix it up between the two. And same with the right, left, bass, bass. Today we're going to look at how I kind of assimilate rudiments, how I manage to make rudiments a part of my playing and just feel natural. Now rudiments and beats sound really, really good. If I just play like a normal beat, you get that straight funky feel. If I start chucking in rudiments in there, you can start getting some really cool stuff. So what I start with as a practice is I'll just get walking with my feet, and basically I'm trying to switch between 4 and 6. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what I do for single strokes. I go right, left, 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 triplet, 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 triplet. Then I do the same with doubles. So right, right, left, left, 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 right, right, left, left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same with paradiddles. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, 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 right, left, right, right, left, and so on. And you can do that through all of your different rudiment exercises. For me, this is the perfect way to kind of switch between stuff. So say I'm doing like a normal paradiddle beat, like a, and I want to switch into that 6 feel. So sounds really, really cool manoeuvring between those two. Give that a try. It's quite an advanced one, but I reckon that you guys can do it. Good luck. Today we're going to be looking at some linear grooves, so where no two notes are played at the same time. I learned one recently that I really, really like. This is a Benny Greb groove. He's a really good drummer. I'd recommend checking him out. And it sounds like this. It's got a really, really nice feel to it. I'm swinging it slightly, but I'll teach you it just normally, straight, and that's what we'll have a go with. If I do it straight, it still sounds good. So what I'm doing there is 2 lots of bass, left, right. So I'm going bass, left, right, bass, left, right. So that second left is really loud. Bass, left, right, bass, left, right. Then I'm doing a bass, left, right, right, and then we switch it over. So I'm going bass, right, left. So bass, right, left, bass, right, left. So the first left there is really loud. So all together, really slowly. Bass, left, right, bass, left, right, bass, left, right, right, bass, right, left, bass, right, left. Speeding it up. Left, bass, right, left, bass, left, right, bass, left, right, bass, left, right, right, bass, right, bass, right, left. Give it a try.